If you ever suffer a serious accidental injury, you'll need an attorney in the complicated field of personal injury litigation. Mark T. Freeley, a resident of Long Island's North Shore, is that attorney. Mark Freeley has practiced personal injury litigation for over 20 years and is the managing partner of a prestigious Long Island personal injury law firm. Mark and his firm have successfully won thousands of accident and injury claims for their clients. Mark T. Freeley, Long Island's North Shore injury lawyer. The experience you need, the results you deserve.
This is Mark Freeley, the North Shore injury lawyer. When someone gets into a car accident, there's basically three different parts of the claim going on. The next part of a claim is the no-fault claim. No fault came into effect more than 30 years ago in New York State. And the reason no fault came into effect is to try to cut down on the smaller injury cases and keep them out of the court system. So under the no-fault law, your own insurance company, for the car you're either the operator of or a passenger in, is going to pay no-fault benefits. Doesn't matter whose fault the accident is. Your car insurance company or the car that you're in, that car insurance company is going to pay for up to $50,000 in medical bills and lost wages. And includes testing, going to specialists, therapy, prescription medication, transportation expenses, and any other reasonably associated expenses related to your injury. That doesn't need to get paid back if you eventually have a case settlement, that first $50,000. And so we also help with the no-fault. We help you complete the no-fault application that has to be in within 30 days to the insurance company, and we will follow up and help you obtain your lost wages. In order to get the lost wages, you have to verify that you were employed and how much you were making. Then we need to get a disability note from your doctor to say that you're unable to work at that particular period of time. And once the insurance company has your no-fault application, the disability note, and the verification form from your employer verifying that you work there and how much you make, then they'll pay you your lost wages. The lost wages are paid 80% of your gross wage tax-free, up to $2,000, $3,000, or $4,000 per month, depending on what policy you purchased. You also obtain no fault if you're a bicyclist or pedestrian. The car that strikes you, again, regardless of fault, is required to pay you no-fault benefits. We help our clients with the no-fault claim from the beginning to the end, and again, we don't charge any separate fee to help with the no-fault claim. We do it as a courtesy to the client. And there's many law firms that put in their retainers that they charge up to $500 just for a no-fault handling fee, and we don't do that.